Yo, what is going on? It is Solo E, and in this video we just gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna be showing you guys my $300,000 investment. Additional to that, I'm gonna be showing you a new location of my studio, recording studio that I am literally building in Chicago as well. So I'm gonna be walking you guys through this whole process. I just want y'all to see that your boy Solo is tapped into a lot of other things that y'all probably don't know. That's why I'm showcasing this right now. So let's go ahead and check it out. By the way, make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube. Alright. You ain't gonna be able to see nothing. Y'all see Black Experience Studios. Alright, so basically, currently we are at 7,800 from a $500 account basically. And if you guys aren't tapped into my live streams or tapped into any of that, it's highly recommended because that's where I'm actually doing this, so you know exactly what I'm going for this and so forth. But other than that, man, we about to go ahead and get this into the car and figure out what we're gonna do next with this. But yeah, I guess y'all just gonna come in for the journey. So I'm gonna show you guys the whole operation. We're like 1 out of 3 done. We got one part of the unit done, but we gotta work on the second part. Then we gotta work on the third part. So it's a process, but I'm gonna show you guys the whole setup. So let's get to it. So first and foremost, when you walk into here, you got the Black Experience Studios. That's basically what this headquarters is. This is where we do all operation. Now here you see that this is it. This is our, come in here a little bit, come in here a little bit. Let me walk you through this whole process. But this is the main setup right here, the main attraction right here right now. So I'm gonna talk to you guys how each segment works and kind of talk to you and break down the money maker and how we do each and every part. But this right here is definitely the money maker for sure, at least for now. So as you guys see, we have all of this stuff from the cameras. This is Think Solo Podcast. This is what we do, my new podcast. So if you haven't checked that out, subscribe, because we get into a lot when it comes to entrepreneurship, motivational stuff, all types of stuff, right? But we have everything decked out here. We got the chairs, we got the microphones, we got the whole setup, and everything about this whole place is all automative. And this is literally what I mean by automative. So all I gotta do is just turn things off with the touch of a phone, as y'all see now. Basically just turning everything off here. We got the chair lights, we turn that off. We got the RGB lights, we turn that off. We also got this, we can turn off as well. And boom, everything is off. So everything is fully operative automatically, either through my phone or through something special, which is this tablet right here. If you guys can come over here and see. So we got everything operated on this tablet. Literally, you can come on here and you can operate the whole entire system. Now, the nice thing about this is when I talk on like how I'm gonna show you guys and let you guys know the operational part, you might see little things here and there with the barcode that says how to operate. And once again, this is because we have it to where people can rent this out for now until I can get my podcast going fully automated and operating. So yeah, subscribe if y'all haven't. But we also got one here and so forth. And then yeah, we got a lot going on right now. So we got a lot going on as far as that. Now I'm about to show you guys some more cool features that we got in this warehouse as well. I'm gonna take you guys to my homie's partner that actually helped me get this going. And we're gonna take you to his lab, even though it's not fully built. Let's go. Microphone.
Got done redecorating, as you can see. I got repaint some shit. Made a little problems, you know.
Okay.
The plan that goes planned.
You might have to talk in the microphone though.
The original plan that goes planned. So I'm, doing some renovation right now. Setting up my boom microphone arm.
Okay.
My microphone right here. There's some rewiring, some wire management.
Too much showing people information. But no, just playing. But no, that's basically what's going on here. So let's go ahead and walk you to our other segment. So this right here is, remember when I said this is segment 1? Now we gotta work on segment 2, which is going to be upstairs. All right, so here you guys have part 2. So with part 2, this is going to be pretty much my entire warehouse as far as like my operation and only my operation. And I said this in my last video, but we're turning this whole thing into a full trading floor. Additional to that, I'm having a small podcast, nothing too crazy, but something light. And then on top of that, we're gonna have a chill area here too. So we're gonna be doing the flooring, maybe paint. I'm gonna actually do panels as far as soundproofing on the ceilings. I was gonna do them black, but I might not go that crazy. I'm gonna just keep it basic because at the end of the day, we trying to make money. That's the whole point of this trading floor. It doesn't need to be all extra. I just wanna let y'all know that, hey, you don't need that extra stuff to be a profitable trader. So yeah, we're gonna keep it simple, but we do have some 3D panels we're gonna put on the wall right here. We got some lights, some other stuff. Yeah, let's go to the next segment. All right, so this is segment 3. This is the bread and butter right here. This is where a lot of the operations are gonna be happening as well. We got a lot going on out here, all right? It's a big mess. That's because it's still in development, but we do plan on having this done in 3 months. I wanted it to be done sooner, but come on in, walk through. Let me show you what's going on. So this is where we're basically doing everything for content, right? So when I walk you guys through the whole step and what I'm about to do with this whole building overall, you guys will get the gist of it. But just to break it down a little bit, what it is a facility for people to come here and basically take photos, do videos, and use different sets, because you might not can feel and understand the vision yet, but we're gonna have different sets. That's why we got these little different pods. And then another nice thing we got is we have our cyclorama wall, which we still need to finish it out because there's still some cracks and stuff going on. But we got our cyclorama wall that we're gonna be using. I'm gonna be doing a lot of my shoots here. Just a lot of different things is gonna be done here. You know what I'm saying? A lot of different things are gonna be done here. It might be weird in the camera because it might not be a lot of light, but this is an all white curve wall, meaning that it's an infinite. So when you take photos, it'll basically be like, damn, where the curves at? You ain't got no curves. It's just like one open white background. And that's basically what we got going on here. So
1 day later,
we'll edit everything for you. We'll handle everything for you. All you gotta do is show up. That's something that we do, 100%.
Yeah.
So what have you been giving them this price?
Yeah.
$800, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, but we see when they pay though.
Exactly.
So like, I feel like what we can do is we can essentially be like, we can do it for $500 per month.
I mean,
We got
crazy. Whatever it takes. It's a real interesting book. Art of Everyday Assertiveness. How to Master Small Talk. The Art of Persuasion. How to Make Good First Impressions. 7-figure marketing agency roadmap. 101 sales secrets. And dictionary finance and investment terms.
Which one you say would be your best book?
Whatever it takes is pretty good. That was a really good read. I'm gonna get to this real soon. It should be really good because I have a marketing agency and I'm working on that. But when it comes to my favorite book, it'll be these two right here. I read this book over and over again all the time. It's probably like my 4th or 5th time reading that. It's nothing crazy. It's just a bunch of sales quotes. So it's a very easy read, but you know what I mean? It's like the more you read it, it sticks to you. You know what I'm saying? You practice those quotes. You put it to your everyday sales techniques and strategies. In this dictionary, I love that. So yeah.